Hey guys, how's it going? Today is Thursday, February 20th, 2020. We're looking at space right now. Okay, I hop back into space. I'm in the calls already, but I hop back, well, not the calls. I'm in the common stock with a position. I sold off my warrants yesterday on the spike, uh, looking for a re-entry at some point. But I hopped into two February 21st $43 calls at $1.55 a piece. That's the front month calls, and the underlying was at 38.33. The thinking was, I'm kind of watching it right now. I'm looking for the pullback and to see if we get a run up. But if we probably test right here, the 40.60, I might hop out. But right now, I had to get them in Robinhood and up right now 260, give or take. I was up more than that earlier, but hey, we'll rock with that and just kind of see where we go. Um, but still in the calls. On Facebook right now, I'm in a put, man. I'm kind of just eating that down 92. Uh, Boeing down $13. These are my Virgin Galactic not calls, but the stock position, just a small position right here. That's a nice gain right there. I'll take that. Now let's just see what the chart's doing. Let's see what it wants to do. No special news going on right now. Okay, it's really pulling back 40.73, 40.83. 40.77. Hmm. I'm looking at the idea is the momentum. You got the bears trying to short it, got the bulls holding their positions, but you also have a lot of the retail investors who are getting excited and saying, I should have got in here, I should have got in there. And they look for the pullback, any pullback, and they hope to buy it and run it up more. That's what I'm trying to capitalize and hitch a ride on that momentum. So we're at 41.33, and the calls that I have, the delta was 34 at the time, and got in at 155. Let's see, what's the delta right now? Delta's 47. I like a delta over 40. I really like them over 60 to 70, 80. But the ones that in the 40 range, they tend to they tend to catch fire kind of quickly, and it's a good balance between price and capturing the movement. So okay, there we go. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. As we move in a little closer, there we go. And yeah, I don't need to see that little chump change right there. Small accounts, we can work with them, guys. We can work with small accounts. When I say we, I'm talking about as in myself, just my own account. 41.39. Let's see what the overall market is doing. I like to keep the SPY in this window right here on the left-hand side. And I'm also in Allstate. See what Allstate is doing right now. There we go. I like that bounce. Let's see what Ford's doing. I'm short Ford. I'm in puts. Ford's up 5 cents. That's cool. It's a weird stock, man. Weird stock. But let's see what Groupon. Somebody was trying to go long Groupon and up a nickel, but that's nothing to mess with for me. But let's go back to space and see what we're doing here. That's the primary objective. All right. And the thing about Robinhood is I can't put a trailing stop in. So I just have to ride with it. Have to babysit it, and I'll be moving back and forth with the family today. So um, I'll move back into Thinkorswim, but I had to pull out a couple of things, and run with Robinhood this week. 41, 60, 41, 4. All right. Well, guys, I'll tell you another thing. Let's look at the daily. I'm not just going to have you watch my. Let's remove that. Removing the VWAP, volume weighted average price. And if we look at this stock, truly gone parabolic. Had one pullback day, ran up to, what's the high? 38.72, and sold off back to 29.15. And then this is a momentum run, guys. We're going to exhaust this today, probably. So I'm probably going to take my profits at some point soon. So let's just see where we are. Putting on a 3-minute because I'm trying to actively manage this. But as long as it's riding the 10 EMA, 10-minute exponential moving average, I'm going to stay with it. Let's see. Got to put the VWAP back on. That is key for intraday action for me. So we're above the VWAP. Got to pull back. Falling wedge. Not even this is turning into a bull flag right there. So the flag patterns, basically the pole, pullback is the banner, and then goes up. So let's just see what we have, guys. I'm in the 43s. Front month $43 calls. Okay. Up to 320. Honestly, I was looking to capture, get to a $5 handle, but we had a pullback. Let's see. There it is. 40.98. 41. 40.96. It had to come back to it. It had gotten away from the moving average by a little too much. It come back to it and then kind of gradually ride up. Let's just take that for a few minutes. But anyway, guys, I will let you guys go. Have a good one, and let me know what you're trading today.